Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look if the Samsung Galaxy A53 has an expandable SD card. So what I'm going to do is we're going to eject the SIM tray right here, and I'm going to pull out the SIM tray. Now at the top here you can see there is a SIM card, but beneath that is an additional slot for the SD card. So if I put a SIM pin through the hole right here, you can see it will come out, push out the micro SD card. So it does have, or it does support the expandable micro SD card. It is shared on the same SIM tray as the SIM card. So we just need to place it like that. And then on the top, we're going to place the SIM card facing up, and then we can insert it into the Samsung Galaxy A53. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.